if you dey look me koro or you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV. This na the Ogbonge Politics discussion show as it dey hot. My name is Ezugo Chukwudi, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu well as stay concerning politics matter as it hurts.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Welcome to Wednesday's edition of our program. That Ogbonge political program where they at least informate our different political activities where they happen for Bodo Nigeria as it hot. And that program will be say then designer for everybody to do it and to talk their mind, talk them as it be there for body, so that at least we go collectively as a talk. Always they talk and collectively they move this country forward. We go open our phone line so that time at least when that time reach now if we contribute and then make now no also forget say the name now Nkubi and this now as it is hot.
We not go waste time, we go straight into the topic when we carry come today. And today's topic na topic when we say it go touch everybody mind based on the workings, I go speak English, workings of democracy for inside Obodo, Nigeria. Make a break and now make everybody understand. The Minister for Labour and Employment, Dr. Chris Nwabueze Ngige, when he dey respond to question from News Story people as he get to do with those when we say, then they come and talk, say, he be like, say, the government of President Muhammadu Buhari, he be like, say, somehow. They know, say, na road front day, but they don't know how they will take go that front. In come talk am, say, anybody, when we say for the past 10 months, look, this government talk, say, this government be like, say, they don't know where they go, or they're too slow, or they don't know how they do them. Say, the person now, he say, make them go house, go check. Make them go check the history of that person. Say, that person a member of the People's Democratic Party. On top of the program today, we go look opposition inside politics for Nigeria. Whether to criticize or whether to give advice for government. How people when they government or people when they the ruling party, they see the advice or criticism where people they give. We won't break this one down because this country belongs to all of us. If you not get card for any party, you free not get your own, but you get stake inside Nigeria democracy because you are a member of this society. We go check this statement, check how we feel they talk about government, make you not be like say, na party, but na the way forward. Now that one we carry come as it hurts.
Well, Chukwu, you don't drop the major highlights of this matter, and but sincerely, if I go bring her from my own angle, they straight up, at the hit and straight. For the Minister of Labour and that is Labour and Employment, to come up and talk this kind of thing. And so for me, I go say they somehow disappointed because in the first place, if persons ask you, or journalists, people will say their job now to find out things, ask you questions, and in the end, the only answer if you provide, now say, all the people where they complain, say, this guy, say things, say suffering day, things hard. Say them that they be strong members of PDP. How this one take relate with the responsibility where they give you as a minister? How this one take relate with at least the promises where on a political party don't make to at least ensure say at least the life of people they better? How this one take affect the sudden increase for fuel where people they suffer from? Maybe say virtually everybody they benefit from this fuel. If you know enter transport, you go get generator where they fund. If you no get generator where you fund, you go get the power sector on it, so what they take on them, not be the same fuel. A lot of sectors, companies, they buy this thing to take on their generators. If work no day, no be what you go little, no be you know go little sack. So if they talk like this, say okay, say them be members of the PDP as a result of say they complain too much. Who else go complain if we no complain? Who else you go expect make you complain if Nigeria has no complaint? Because in the first place, it is a right to complain so that at least now if you do things the way we're not supposed to do them. It's as simple as that.
I don't understand why you did rake this morning.
No, Chukwudi.
Now they tell me say Chukwudi, wait till. Every Nigerian when they watch this program before election 2015, no, who you be?
Chukwudi, why are you it is obvious you be one kind of, you know whatever they forgive me.
Which one be forgive?
I'm not even seeking for your forgiveness.
Which one be forgive?
I'm not seeking for your pardon. I'm not seeking for your forgiveness.
You will hear it on this program today.
Chukwudi, it is my right as a Nigerian.
How can anybody come out?
It is my right as a Nigerian.
Of the government come out to tell us that anybody when they criticize government,
right a Nigerian. It is my right as somebody who go vote for a particular leader to do it, to talk when I need to talk. If they complain tomorrow, now because I say the government never do things when they're supposed to do.
Thank you very much. Say you admit.
Why can't they talk?
Thank you very much. Say you admit for this program for the first time. For the first time since this year start, you admit on all this program say the government never do what they're supposed to.
No, Chukudi.
You should be directing your comments to Dr. Chris Nwabezengige.
I am directing my comments to the government at large.
But you are being sentimental.
Government, you
are being biased.
Government is a continual thing. I'm not video talking. So in this case, government, anywhere where you like, any political party where you like, make it belong to. As long as you be given the responsibility to rule us. People of where they rule complain. They have every right to complain because they don't see something where no they are appropriate. The things when I promise them are not fulfilled.
The time when we discuss fuel scarcity for this matter, which government you blame?
Chukudi.
No. People when they house, then watch.
This is exactly
people when they house, then watch.
This is exactly what I said.
Okay, Chukudi from Owerri. You watch that day.
I say this is what I said. I said, look, say the issue of fuel scarcity don't dey on for long. Say it even affect the past government. Say make we find the key problems when they cause this thing. Make we put an end to it for good.
But so you can't blame that past government. Saying that the past government now they responsible for that.
You blame them and you don't blame them. Chukudi, this is a national TV. Chukudi, no, they life my head.
Who could be people go call? They go shoot down this your
They
life.
go shoot down.
They will shoot down this your life.
Your accusation.
Because since May 29, 2015. See, Unkubi, you see, I'm Poe. You don't enter trouble today. Political Science 101. Carry by right. Poe 101.
Because I do political science for school, or because I be government student.
Now why you don't enter trouble? No, Abraham Lincoln. Oh. He defined democracy.
Please. I know what Abraham Lincoln defined democracy as. So there's no point you telling us. Me, I know. Government of the people, by the people, and for the people. We know.
Okay. What about Baron de Montesquieu?
Chukudi, I know you're a historian. I know you're a historical student when you were in school. And you'd also do international relations.
What about Julius Nyerere?
I know Julius Nyerere. That one now. So?
What about Kwame Nkrumah?
Chukudi, don't do you.
What about...
Hey, these are leaders of other countries. We don't lay their own achievement. People, they celebrate them when they. Let us start thinking of celebrating.
And you go to celebrate person when they blame every Nigerian when complain. Say the PDP member.
You say who it is?
Thank you very much.
What? No, repeat what you just said.
No, thank you very much.
No, say, you go talk about.
What I want to
talk again.
Thank you very much. As you know, they hear quick. Leave it like that.
Chukudi, I hear him talk again now.
Oh, if you know say you hear him and you they think very very fast, you no go tell me to talk again.
You fear to tell me.
How we are they fear you?
Even my voice they even make you panic.
You no get voice. You get voice. To me your voice they sound like it. You no get voice. You no get voice because when they talk about see. Democracy is all-inclusive. Democracy is, like they talk, government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Everybody is supposed to participate for government. We don't say political parties are the platform through which, because of the way when our constitution day, people, they achieve what they want to achieve of representing the people. But if Nigerians look fuel scarcity, when they make people they queue for fuel, upon say, so under this government, sun too much. We don't record the highest number of sun. Harmattan lasts from November last year. Enter inside February.
Son, now they draw the sun come, eh?
It's all part of it. It's okay.
Now they draw the sun come, now they draw the Harmattan come, abi.
Una don't forget.
How Harmattan take relate with what we talk about?
Una don't
we
forget.
understand the condition we are.
Why
we
you say
the high level of heat when they're outside now.
Thank you.
Understand? And at this point, we need power pass.
What is causing the heat?
What is causing the heat?
Thank you.
Now global warming.
No, una go set up committee to go know what is causing
global
the heat.
warming.
Set up committee to go and know what's causing the heat.
Now global warming.
People Christmas chicken lost that time. They blame the government of Oga Jonah. Person wife cook, put salt. They blame the government of Oga Jonah. Have you forgotten now? Have you forgotten that? That was what you people were doing.
Let me
now Nigerians are complaining. No light, no fuel, traveling, everything. Una they talk say they be PDP members. Why are we like this in this country?
What have I said wrong? Where they call for this high level of thrashing and beating?
You have been saying things wrong since last year before election. I can remember. You have been saying things wrong last year.
Even on today's program, I think they say something wrong.
You see, if you blame Oga President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan government that time for fuel scarcity, I will blame you for this one. Oga Chris,
why blame me when I'm even blaming the government in place?
Thank you very much.
So wait, please, Chukudi.
Unkubi.
See, for you always make references to before election, or rather when Ogadio. So Chukudi, it is our right as Nigerians to say.
Not your right is your right. My right is my right.
No,
your right is your right. My right is
my
right. No, it's your own right.
You want
I have my right.
You want better from the government.
You have your right. I have my right.
I want better from the government. So it is
you
our
have
right.
your right. I have my right.
It's our right as Nigerians to make certain demands where we say, well, we not say go there appropriate for us. Right from independence. We don't dey cry, reach now where we dey. Chukudi, as you dey now.
Some of those people went there for independence. Some of those people went there for independence. No, you not party there today.
Suddenly come in, look around and say, no, we need to turn things around.
With the same people, with the same people when spoil them. With the same people when spoil them. We need to turn things around. After these people spoil this place, they can't come here. We now won't turn around. Turn around maintenance. I can see everything turning around. Now so that they turn around. Now so that they turn around. If we want to address issues, we must address the fundamentals. You must address the basics.
Okay, let us address the fundamentals.
Thank you very much.
You want us to address the fundamentals?
Address the fundamentals.
Okay, hallelujah. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Make we look at just as we talk, say governance, now something where they continue.
Thank you.
Okay, if a particular government
and everybody when they want political party, when enter on a party, you don't become born again. Continue. No, continue. Shebi, that's what you're driving at. Continue.
If a particular government were they in power before.
Nkubi, you don't forget, say, Oga Chris Ngige, when be minister now. Which party? Excuse me.
No.
Excuse me. Which party? If I become governor that time. No. Which party if I become governor?
This is not an issue of making references to a particular individual. Say he was once a member of a political party.
Thank you. But now
we are looking at the present government in place.
Okay, and everybody in this present government is God-fearing. Everybody in this present government is a born again.
That is why what we are trying to uncover.
Uncover it.
Uncover if a particular government in place right before, no do things right. And we can't get new government right now.
With the people when did that government before? When they
we can't get new government now. And just somehow, some monkey hand, or probably just as Ogabobi did talk, some extended that way they bigger than monkey hand. Don't they end put hand and say this government their achievement. I mean they lay down plans so they get no go work. Then it is still our right as Nigerians to address them so that at least the key elements, the fundamental problems where they affect us. We go fit there, we fit address that because if we don't make demands, now like then go they play us like ball. They play us like ball.
With budget. With budget, when them bad, they play us like ball. Who could be see? Let me tell you. You cannot escape this discussion
today.
I'm
already escaping.
You have not escaped.
I am
escaping. You're already in a cage. You're already in a cage.
If not, you will be in a cage.
Cage of discussion, no be real
no,
cage.
Either way, cage na cage. As long as call cage for anybody. In mentality of cage, you say something where we say you get enclosement.
Okay.
Because like now prison. Say the person not the prison.
Oh yeah, sorry. I know say you like food. You will be in hot soup.
You'll be in hot soup. You will be in hot soup.
Cage and hot soup, they're no different.
Just bring it in the form of idiom. Bring it in the form of figure of speech. Any way you like. And you will be in hot of soup.
Hot of soup.
Hot of soup. The hot of soup. Hot soup. Either way. Anyway, the hot. Now what you go there inside?
I say cage, you no agree. I say soup, you no agree. But take one.
And they take anything.
Okay, you will be in something.
You also will be in something. Because you don't ever get better mind for person.
I go talk, I don't get better mind for you.
You don't get better mind for person.
No, but Nkubi, see, in truth, we know say.
And now you know say what talk true. True. Why don't I talk? Why don't I identify with my own truth?
No.
You come and call the kick against it. What is the meaning of all this? And then the emotional about the situation. Person come and call talk with the try address the matter with the person say he wrong. He just hit person from left and right. Well, now you won't call talk true because the truth now what's mouth today.
No, I don't talk say you no talk true from the start. But my own be say the way you take start, it can't be like say from the very, very beginning, you be good person. You understand? Because I know say before, you been dey complain, now you don't dey form good. Stanley, they call us from inside Lagos. Oga Stanley, good morning and welcome to Ask E Dey Hot.
Stanley, good morning.
Oga Stanley, you there?
Stanley, please say you there. Talk to us. We dey hear you.
Hello?
Good morning.
Hello?
Hello.
We dey hear you.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Stanley.
Yeah, as they watch the program one, they talk.
Okay.
Hello?
Oga Stanley, I beg, if you dey wear your television there, I beg, come out there. So you go fit hear us, we go fit hear you too.
Yeah,
Oga Stanley, go tell us, I beg, make you call us back. I be like say the communication flow no dey too enter well, I beg. So Chukudi, see, the issue is this. The issue is this. We understand, say yes, there is an issue on ground.
There's a problem on
There are
ground.
issues.
Okay, there are issues on ground.
There are problems.
There are problems on ground.
Plural, thank you.
And it is our job as Nigerians to dey talk with
Not job, our duty.
either job or duty.
Because they promise us waiting. Thank you. Continue.
It is our duty and our jobs as Nigerians to at least keep raising voices.
And if it's our job, we will collect how much at the end of the month based on the promise. Hey, who could be? If you like say you never know the thing when you enter. Oh. No. Excuse me. I'm trying to control my emotions, but it just be like say the thing they overtake me. You know why? No.
Now I even ask you, this is emotion. We don't they cry out for how many months we don't start this program? You are holding on to waiting. What be the length of, what be the height of this emotion? I won't see them.
Thank you very much.
Because I won't see the height of this emotion. That's what you want to.
Thank you very much.
I won't see that. See, I won't see no.
Since May 29, 2015.
I won't see that emotion. No.
You go see on May 29, 2016. You go see on May 29, 2016.
May.
1 year.
No,
1 year. Shebi
in
una
a
do.
few months. In 2 months to come.
Shebi una tell us they make we control our emotion. We dey control am. But Nkubi, this matter dey very, very clear. You see, we must stop playing politics of partisanship. I don't know why they speak English, but I say because now political science 101. We must stop playing politics of partisanship. We must become all-inclusive in government because if you... Okay, Oga Gideon, they call us from Ajegule. Oga Gideon, good morning and welcome to our City Hut.
Gideon, good morning. Gideon, you there? People say, I don't know whether na telephone line.
Shebi, blame the telephone line. You know, blame telephone line. Blaming people. Blame. You don't know where. Blame now.
People say our communication line.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.